If you love marine life, you're in for a treat. Meet the bat rays, nature's underwater acrobats. Named for their bat-like wings, bat rays have triangular fins that stretch up to 6 feet wide. They flap their wings gracefully, looking like birds flying underwater. And yes, they have a venomous tail stinger, but they're shy and rarely use it. Bat rays have a thing for crunchy snacks, munching on clams, crabs, and shrimp with their plate-like teeth. And they're skilled hunters too, detecting hidden prey with special electroreceptors. Social butterflies of the ocean. They glide in groups of over 100, and they dig for dinner using their snouts, leaving craters on the ocean floor. Bat rays give birth to live pups and can even jump out of the water like dolphins. Masters of camouflage and closely related to sharks, they've been around for 150 million years. Plus, they're playful and can live up to 24 years. Discover the amazing bat ray, nature's underwater acrobat.